Good morning. First one of the day, one of the dreaded BMW GS's. This is one Danny at DBH has just taken in and needing a bit of trot love before it goes into the showroom. This one doesn't look like it has been cleaned in some time. She is filthy. We got our work cut out for us with this one. We're going to give this one of our legendary Trot Full Monty valets. We'll get some XCP corrosion protection on it afterwards. See all that corrosion? That's why it's so important to get your bike properly protected, especially something expensive like this. So, well, like I said, we're going to do a full Monty valet on this. Get all that burnt on tar off that exhaust, get these wheels cleaned up, get some XCP on it, and get it in the showroom. Danny, DBH Motorcycles. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This BMW GS 1250 has been trotted and looking freaking sweet. This is heading for Danny's showroom. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets, XCP corrosion protection. These wheels are a nightmare on these, but we have scrubbed and scrubbed every one of those spokes. All the hub there has all had a nice coating of XCP gold. All your subframe, which I know corrodes on these, has had a nice misting of XCP. All your drive shaft, calipers, everything's been minted. I just did a machine polish on the windscreen, the bodywork, the top of this tank here. Looking sweet. Heading for the showroom. If you're looking for a lovely GS 1250, give Danny a ring. DBH Motorcycles.